There were days when luxury was luxury and need was need. पर आजकल luxury is also a need. नहीं समझे?
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
Going on a holiday, driving swanky cars, wearing branded clothes was luxury. But thanks to the social media peer pressure, they're all artificial need now. However, there is one luxury aspect which actually is a need for the upper class segment in true sense, and that is luxury living. Luxury living is a product that one consumes every day, every moment. Unlike holidays, cars, etc. They say na, your house walls literally talk. Well, let them talk good. This is what the top real estate developers have now cracked. Talking about top developers, there is one which is a deadly combo of elegance, swag, taste, modernity, and whatnot. I'm talking about Max Estates. Max launched their last project in 2023 in Noida. It was speculated that their rates are too aspirational considering Noida market. But guys, they literally had to bump off 30% of their bookings being oversold just on the launch day. Thanks to this overwhelming response, the early investors are laughing all the way to their banks. Now the question arises, why is such an increment? Is this hike justified? What is in it for the end user? Well, look at this clip. Estate 128. Estate 128 is strategically located in Sector 128 Noida. With over 80% green spaces and 7 acres of landscape greens, Estate 128 takes you on a symbolic journey of a river. Every home is designed with the utmost care to provide a luxurious experience. Spacious living room with conjoined balconies for a seamless indoor-outdoor interaction. Generously spaced bedrooms to provide privacy in a multi-generation setting. First of its kind decks that wrap around the entire unit. After doing the site and sample flat visit, the end users adore and accepted it with open arms. The launch price of this project was about 17k per square feet. Since entire developer's inventory is sold, the resale is trading at about 25k per square feet. That's about 4 CR differential. Sounding like a missed opportunity, na? But don't worry, I've got something equally juicy and worthy. Max is coming up on Dwarka Expressway with their next big thing. The project is located at the cross junction of Northern Peripheral Road and Dwarka Expressway. Being at just a stone throw away from NH8, it gives a fantastic connectivity to Gurgaon, Delhi, Manesar and even Jaipur. The total land size of the project is about 12 acres. The upcoming state-of-the-art ISBT and India's first heli hub are going to be at an approachable distance from the project. The cherry on the cake is that this project will be a joint venture between Max Estates and Max Antara. There will be total 700 units spread between 6 towers, 4 for Estates and 2 for Antara. Those of you who do not know about Antara, it's a wholly owned subsidiary of Max India Limited, which dedicatedly caters to senior citizen living with features like panic alarm system, medical facilities at doorstep, meals, full-time on-site nutritionist, family information and response system for emergency, and most importantly, homogeneous senior citizen living, which produces a sense of belongingness. Kudos to the brainstorming that Max team does on the payment plan. It is quite relaxing and investor friendly too. It is 25x4. I am really impressed with the unit sizes configuration. Minimum ticket price would be close to 3.75 to 3.95 CR, which is quite compatible to the kind of product Max eventually delivers. And now my final advice, enter at pre-launch stage, let the project grow a little and then exit. And then go on a holiday, buy swanky cars, wear branded clothes, post online, gather likes and share, and do like and share this video if you have liked. Thank you so much.